In this tutorial, we'll be talking about authority and credibility as it relates to periodicals. The first thing you should look for is whether an author is listed at all. Most works list an author or authors, but there are a few that do not. If using a periodical index, look at the record for the article. If there is a known author or authors attached to the article, they should be listed in the record. Once you have located the author, see if you can find a biographical blurb about them. Many works include one, but may be on the first, second, or last page of the work. Some databases like Academic Search Complete also list author affiliations in the item record. And again, another thing to look at is who the publisher of the item is. Usually university presses, such as Oxford University Press, tend to publish credible, authoritative works. So if you see a university press listed as a publisher, there's a good chance it is an authoritative work. Now let's take a quick look to see where you can find an author's credentials both in the record as well as the work itself. Here we are at the Wayne College website. Now let's say you are doing research on child welfare in the United States. Well, first we would get started by looking in Academic Search Complete. So we're going to click on that, and let's search for child welfare and United States, and search. And here, the first one, this article looks good, so let's go ahead and click on it. And here it lists the author as James Scherer. So how do we find out if James Scherer is an authority? Well, we can first look in the record itself. If we scroll down, here we go. It says author affiliations. And it says he's an assistant professor at the Graduate School of Social Work at Dominican University. So we can be pretty sure that he is an authority on social work, on social welfare. But let's just say that the record did not say that. How could we tell? Well, we can go into the article itself. So let's click on the PDF full text. And wait for the article to load. Okay, so here's the author again, down there. And let's look to see if we can find a biographical blurb about him. Now, it does not look like that there's one on this page. It lists the abstract here, but this isn't the biographical blurb. So let's try the next page. It doesn't seem to be on the second page. So let's try the last one. So we'll scroll all the way down. Oh, and here it is. James L. Scherer is assistant professor, the Graduate School of Social Work at Dominican University. So as we can see, it was listed on the last page in the article. So if it is not in the record itself, you can always check in the article to see if the author's credentials is listed. If you are really unsure about the credibility of an author and the earlier steps did not return anything, here's another method to help you learn about an author's credibility and authority. First, you can search for the author in Google or Amazon to see if they have written any books on the topic. And if so, find reviews for that book in Academic Search Complete or the University of Akron catalog. These reviews can give you a good idea of the author's credibility, especially if the review is in a periodical from a credible institution. We will go over how you can find these reviews when we talk about evaluating books in the next tutorial.